Hey everybody, what's up? It's TJ. You guys, today I'm going to try to set up my Berkey water filter system. I'm going to try, okay? Here we go. So this is the small one. It's the travel size, and it was a gift from a subscriber, which is a heck of a gift. I mean, an awesome gift. You guys send me the best stuff. Let me get a pair of scissors. Now, I couldn't afford one of these, y'all. Of course, it was a Christmas gift. Got all these little parts here. It's my little spout. Now, I know I'm supposed to bleed these filters, but I don't think I have the stuff to do it with. I don't know. Does it come with it? I got a phone call trying to come in, and it's a scam phone call. Yes, I do have it. Wow. Okay, see, it comes with it. In case you're wondering. Right there. That's the piece you have to have. And supposedly there is another piece, another one you can buy that some people say it works better. I don't know. It like fits over your faucet. It comes up over it to help you. Okay. Ooh, that feels funny. I got a smell of everything, y'all. Okay. Get my craziness done and out of the way, right? Get everything out here. Okay. Over there. Too many instructions already. I'm just kidding. Okay. Let me get my eyeballs on. Ooh. I almost dropped it, y'all. Okay. Priming the black Berkey purification elements. It shows you this little diagram here. Alright. You put the little piece on top of it. You have to take the stuff off that's on here. Put the other little piece on. And then run water through it until water starts seeping out of the whole thing, okay? That's my understanding of it. I've watched a couple of videos on it. So, yeah. Now, I want to go ahead and get my Berkey together. Okay. This. Oh my gosh. I may have to get help in here, y'all. I'm not too bright when it comes to stuff like this, okay? That goes on the lid. That there. Okay. So for the spout, I'm going to go ahead and get my stand over here. Okay. Goes in like that. You put the seal on, which fits pretty doggone tight. And then the little cap, you screw it on. And I'm trying to tell which way they got it going on there. That ain't gonna work. Get it in there really good. Let me see if it, see, that's not very tight. I'll have to go back and tighten this down or get somebody to do it for me. I don't think you're supposed to do it with a, you know, hard tools. Okay, let's go ahead and prime. Hang on, y'all. Let me get somebody to tighten it down for me. All right, y'all. So we have that on. I had to get somebody in here to tighten it down with a little more finger power than I have. So what I'm going to do now is prime my filters. Okay, I'm going to take these two pieces off. You got like a bolt, a nut here, not a bolt. And a seal, a really thick seal. Take them off. You put your other piece on here. Just kind of put it on the top like that. Okay. We're just going to barely turn the water on. Allow it to fill up and it will start seeping out. There it goes. Y'all see that? Probably not. Wait until it does it all the way to the bottom. And there's that. Take that off. Okay. Now, put my big thick seal back on. Turn this over so I can work it. There are two holes in here. I don't know. I can't tell if you can see those holes or not. This thing is so doggone shiny. You put that on and screw it down here. Which is some work because it's got a long thing on it. Alright, so there's the first one. And I'll get somebody in here to tighten that down as well. Alright, let's do this one. You guys don't want to break these. You don't want to drop them on the floor and break them, okay? Find my little piece again. Stick it on the top. Just like so. Barely turn the water on. Let me see if I can bring y'all closer. You'll see it start seeping out of the filter through here. Whoop. It's wanting to spray everywhere, y'all. There it goes. I wish y'all could see it like I can. I don't know if y'all will be able to or not. You may be able to on a computer, the big screen. I don't know. Put my seal on. Stick that in that hole down there on the bottom. I'll try to anyway. And screw the bolt, the nut back on. And this is made out of plastic. So that is why I don't want to use a tool to do this with, because I don't want to break any of my parts. Okay. All right, so I'm going to get someone in here to tighten this down. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I got him to come in here and tighten it down. That's what it looks like on the other side when water's trying to come out. See? That's what it looks like on the inside. See my camera? Or my phone, rather, with the camera. Okay. So, you just take it and set it on the top. Like so. Alright, now we're going to get the lid ready. Oh boy, let me find a little screwdriver. I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, so here it is. You take the screw off, because nothing's never easy. A little bitty tiny screw, so be careful. Don't want to lose it. No zozo. I'm going to go ahead and put the screw in there. Well, let's try that again. I'm going to put it in here first. Put my finger on it. And get my lid, or my knob, and screw it in as much as I can. And now I'm going to tighten it down. Alright. So, look at that. I'm going to set this here. This is where the home is for it. I wanted it as close to my closet as I could get it. Y'all see Zoe just prancing all over my countertops. Let me move this stuff out of the way. I have to dry this or I get my clothes wet and I need to go to town, y'all. Put that right there. Hopefully, this will reach up here. Y'all, that's my cat wanting in my bedroom. And I can't see, y'all, to fill it up. So let me try it a different way. Let me take it down. Ain't very much water in there at all. It's only about this full, y'all. And all you're doing is filling this top part up. And it filters through down to the bottom. And of course, you get it out of the spout. I hear it draining already. Y'all hear that working? I'll have to get somebody to set it back up on the stand. I think the next time I fill it up, I'm just going to use like a plastic tea pitcher or something like that. So, yeah. Oh, I can lift it. Oh, beautiful. Phew. I hope y'all can hear that. I'm going to get me a glass. Make sure nothing leaks down here. Y'all, look at that. Maybe there's not enough in there yet. I bet that's what it is. Ain't enough in there yet. So I'm going to let some of this work through and I'll be back. All right, y'all. So here we go. It's ready. It's still barely dribbling. Drizzling. I think I ran those two words together. So I'm going to try it. Cheers. It doesn't taste no different, but I guarantee you it's better for you. You guys, if you live in a big city, even a small city, their water is not all that great. Y'all know I used to clean houses for a living. The amount of stuff coming out of here when I was cleaning was horrific. And it was on a regular basis. And a lot of it was like slimy mold. Where is that coming from? You know, I could understand it if it hadn't been cleaned for like a year. But when you're cleaning it once every 2 weeks, there's a problem when you're still getting it out like that. So the water isn't all that great. You need to be filtering it somehow. These are a little pricey. They are $250. These are the travel size. When you're buying it, you're paying for the filters. The filters cost around $100 a piece. Just the system is around $50. That's how you have to look at it. Because if you buy more filters for it, they're around $100 a piece the last time I checked. So that's what you're paying for is the filters. I will talk to you guys later. Y'all have an awesome day. Please don't forget to hit that like button, share, and subscribe, y'all. Bye-bye.